Are you wondering what are the highest accuracy of trading IPO stock in the stock market? Are you the one who's scared to buy on the first day of listing of the IPO stock? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and high winning strategy on how to analyze an IPO stock and how to trade an IPO stock. And right now, one of the IPO stock is showing this kind of signal to me. Interested to know? Make sure you stay until the end of the video and hit that subscribe and like button to show us some support, and also make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any of our latest trading ideas video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Zitrade Trend Trader YouTube channel, a channel to help you analyze Malaysia's stock market and share opportunities and ideas with you on what to monitor next. Before we start our analysis video, here is the disclaimer for this video. There's no buy or sell call in this video. This analysis is only based on my experience and trading ideas. Please manage your risk wisely. Okay, so in this video, I had concluded 3 criteria on how this strategy works for the IPO stock. I will take 2 different recent IPO stock as a case study in this video for you guys so that you can have a better viewpoint on what am I actually analyzing. Okay, so the first case study stock will be Infotech. Infotech has rose crazily these few weeks, and I want to tell you that this strong rise is actually happened once after the signal appears. So here are the 3 simple steps on how you can trade and analyze an IPO stock. Okay, so for the step 1, draw a neckline resistor based on the first candlestick solid candle. So when is actually the time only we can start to monitor an IPO stock. It's actually the time when it break out this neckline resistor level. If it managed to break out this neckline resistor level, this means that momentum of buyers buying this IPO stock is very strong. Step 2, be patient. Wait for the retracement back to the resistor neckline, which now turns into a support neckline. If it can retrace nicely and stand above the neckline for a few days, this means that this is a super point for us to enter to ride a continuous uptrend for the IPO stock. Step 3. Monitor for the volume of this stock during retracement. It should be ideal if it can actually break out with huge volume and retrace with a very low volume. And if you monitor and buy at here, see how crazy it rise after these signals appear. Okay, so you saw it? Alright, so let's proceed with the second case study, which is Yuli. So which is also a recent IPO stock. You will find that it has also the same signal appears before it goes up crazy. First step, draw a neckline. After it break out, wait for the retracement back to the neckline, where the retracement is actually a point where we can consider to enter as it is safe and winning opportunity is super huge. And guess what? Boom, it skyrocket after the signal appears. Alright, so this is the time you guys are waiting for. After you guys learn the simple and high accuracy strategy, let's directly apply it on a recent IPO stock. Now, view that it appears the same signals as I have mentioned just now. Okay, so the stock I'm going to share today is ITMAX, ITMAX. Okay, so let's apply the 3 simple strategy, analyze this stock. Okay, so first step, it has solid breakout the neckline that I have drawn. Second step, it has retraced nicely back to the breakout neckline. Third step, monitor for the volume. It break out the trend line with higher volume where it retraced with a low volume. So by having all of these 3 criteria appears, I think this stock is showing signal for me right now with a huge upside possibility. What do you think? Do comment down below your thoughts about this IPO stock and relate the strategy I have taught you guys just now. And of course, for every upside possibility, there's also a downside possibility. Make sure you set your loss point wisely. I hope this kind of strategy video helped you guys. And if you think you learned something, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate that. And remember to follow our Instagram account named in the description box below. Always remember, we are Zitrade. Until next time.